To get the most out of a BMO student credit card, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices associated with its use. First, it is crucial to recognize the benefits of having a student credit card, such as building credit history, earning rewards, and accessing exclusive discounts. When applying for a BMO student credit card, students should be aware of the eligibility criteria, which typically includes being a student, having a valid Canadian bank account, and meeting the minimum age requirement. The application process usually involves providing personal and financial information, and in some cases, a credit check may be performed. Once the card is approved, it is vital to use it responsibly to avoid accumulating debt and negatively impacting credit scores. This can be achieved by setting a budget, tracking expenses, and making timely payments. BMO offers various tools and resources to help students manage their credit card account, including online banking and mobile apps. Another critical aspect of using a BMO student credit card is understanding the interest rates and fees associated with it. Students should be aware of the annual interest rate, which can range from 19.99% to 24.99%, and the various fees, such as late payment fees and foreign transaction fees. To maximize the benefits of a BMO student credit card, students should take advantage of the rewards program, which offers points or cash back on eligible purchases. Additionally, students can utilize the exclusive discounts and promotions offered by BMO, such as discounts on travel, entertainment, and shopping. Finally, it is essential to monitor credit reports regularly to ensure that the credit card account is being reported accurately. Students can request a free credit report from the major credit bureaus and dispute any errors or inaccuracies. By following these tips and best practices, students can effectively manage their BMO student credit card, build a positive credit history, and enjoy the benefits associated with responsible credit card use. It is crucial to remember that a credit card is a tool that requires responsible handling. And by being informed and proactive, students can make the most out of their BMO student credit card.